Hi and welcome back. Today we are having a pretty easy card, but we're gonna have a little crafty chat instead. I have no plan for what this video is gonna contain. I just was in a mood to do something different, and this was a pretty easy card, but I wanted to share it anyway. So I decided that this was going to be something new that I will do in my channel when I feel for it, just to have a quick card up and a little crafty chat. You can see I'm using one of the stencils from Trinity Stamps, and I am just masking off an area, so we have 4 different spots where we're gonna do some ink blending and then put our cute dust bunnies on top. So I have had a great day. I have been visiting my parents. We were outside, obviously, since that is pretty much what you can do in this strange time with everything that is going on. We are pretty lucky in Sweden, or lucky, I don't know what to call it. We haven't a totally lockdown. We have our schools open. I have my work to go through when I'm not home on maternity leave with William. I'm working 1 day a week, and I'm a teacher if you didn't know, so I'm there teaching the kids 1 day at the week, and some students are home and they are taking the same course on distance. We have lessons on distance and the regular class as well, so it's like double work at the moment. But I guess that is what we have to do for maintaining the schools open, to do it both ways, so you can be home if you have to be home. If you have somebody that are in the high risk group in your home, you have to stay home, I suppose. So yeah, it's kind of hard. I think it's hard for everybody. So I didn't want this to be like a sad video, and I hope it will not be that way. So let's continue with this card. We're gonna color in some cute bunnies here. I just love these cute dust bunnies. I'm no expert at coloring, and I just left this part in because I absolutely love how these bunnies turn out when you are coloring them this way, so I just wanted to share it. I know I will have another video up soon where I'm doing the same thing. I just love them. I think they are super cute. I'm just like coloring them in, so they have some base colors here with my Spectrum Noir markers, and then I'm just like going in with some dabs of colors in small dots. You can see my daughter's hand there. She really loves these bunnies as well. And when we had cut them out, we are going to lay them over. You can see I didn't like the first bunny I colored in, so I did it again. And they will have each bunny will have their own space to be in, and then we're gonna adhere them with some foam tape to the back side just to create some dimension. Anyway, back to the chit chat here. My Sambo Andreas is outside playing with my daughter. My little man William, he is turning 6 months and he is inside sleeping. So this was the perfect time for me to just do this voiceover. And now that I'm doing it, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this material because I think it turned out quite bad. But I don't know. I don't know what you guys want to hear. If I will do this video again, what do you want me to talk about? Should I have a subject? What subject should that be? Should it be connected to the thing I'm doing here on the screen? Or give me a heads up what you are liking at the moment, and I can do it. Because I know that I am consuming a lot of YouTube videos at the moment, and I think it's just a good escape to have a couple of minutes looking at something and listening to somebody else talk that isn't in your family. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. This was quite a weird video for me, I think. I usually have like a plan what I'm going to say, and everything is quite like structured when I begin, and this was really not. So let me know what you guys are liking, what you want me to create for content for you, because this is your channel as well. If you don't want to watch what I am creating, then what's the point of it? I cannot just create videos because I like it. I really do like creating videos, but I want you guys to have something that you are looking forward to and something that you really like to watch. So I would be really happy if you could leave me some comments down below of what you are liking, if you like a video like this where I'm just chit-chatting, or if you're more liking the videos that I usually do. I will continue to do them as well, of course, but if you are, what you prefer, what you like, something new for me to do as well. I was thinking of going live as well, but probably on Instagram, so we'll see what's happening in the future. I hope you are well and that you are staying safe, and I see you soon. Bye!